Hey, Papa Joe here, back with you again. Right now I'm going to show you how to change the ceiling registers for the HVAC unit, and it's really simple, just 2 screws. Take our handy drill here. Take that down. Zip that one right out. Take our new one. Line it up with the hole that was there. Oops. Hold on there a minute, folks. Danny, you're going to have to cut this part. Okay, well that fit in nice and snug. Alright, now. And thank goodness we had a difficult one, so now you got to see what we have to do. Tap it in. We're all good now. Thanks for watching.